We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, in this video we will learn about sweep command in AutoCAD. It is a 3D command. To create a sweep, first I have to create a 2D geometry. I have chosen spline fit. By defining random 3 points, I have created a spline. Then press double enter. Then I have chosen circle. I will create circle at this tangent point of 10 mm radius. So my circle will be of 10 mm radius perpendicular to this line. Now I will go for sweep. I will type sweep in command prompt. Then AutoCAD will ask for select object to sweep. Now I will select circle and then press enter. Now AutoCAD will ask for to select sweep path. Now I will select a sweep path. Then my circle will be swept across this path. Wireframe view will give a definite view that my circle is swept across this path. So thank you. We can see the whole procedure in command prompt. That I have first used spline to create a path, then I have used circle of 10 mm radius to create an object, then I have typed sweep in command prompt. Then AutoCAD will ask for to select object, and then AutoCAD will ask for select sweep path. So first I have selected circle as an object, and then I have selected a spline with the sweep path. Then AutoCAD will give me a swept object like this. Thank you. For any query, please type in comment box.